So inflation is the complicating factor out there in our lives. Well, who caused the inflation? Banks. Yeah, primarily central banks. And so here is the Federal Reserve of St. Louis Research Department 2014 date. This is a picture of what's happened to the dollar since 1913 when the act came into existence. The dollar was worth $1. But Zeta, is it Zeta? Yes. Do you notice what happened, love? In just a very short period of time there, 1920 or so, it had dropped to 1/2. Well, do you know what the ostensible reason for creating the Federal Reserve was? It was to stabilize the money. Well, boy, wasn't that stabilizing the money. Now, do you notice that okay, we have those gray lines, okay? Those are recessions or depressions. Now, we got to examine that very closely. Do you all know that these puppet masters out there that think that they can run our lives, that's their job to run our lives, they change the meaning of words? They call those recessions or depressions, when the real thing is it is a return to reality. You see, they're intimating that things are always going to keep getting better, but every once in a while along comes a recession or depression. That's an aberration. No, it's the things before that was the aberration. You see, only the Austrians have got this theory of the business cycle correct, that bankers increase the money supply big time. People think they have something and they don't. It's all a lie.